Hey everybody, it's Luke Kurrle with Lindapter. Welcome to this week's Lindapter Spotlight. You can see this tower behind me. This is near my house in Michigan. Weather's starting to just finally get nice here this spring. And the reason I stopped here, this is about I don't know, 3-4 miles from my house. This tower has been reinforced with Hollo-Bolts, and we'll try to take a look and see here. You can see the bar that runs up the length of the tower. That bar is called Dewey Dag bar. It's got threads, but it's also flat on one side so that it can get flush up against something. But those brackets, and we'll try to get a little closer if we can see through the fence. See if we can slide over here a little bit. These brackets have got Hollo-Bolts in them, and we'll try to see if we can turn this around. But those are Hollo-Bolts. They've been in there for a long time. Hopefully you can see kind of some of that a little bit. But this runs all the way up the length of the tower and uses and acts as a stiffener to add some equipment at one point from when it was originally built. They had to reinforce it. But it's been the biggest market for Hollo-Bolts since I have been around. So I hope you enjoyed this week's Lindapter Spotlight. Greetings from sunny Michigan finally. Take care.